In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever noticed a typo, picked the wrong category, or need to adjust a date or amount, editing a transaction is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go to the transaction list. This will be in the section that matches what you're trying to change. For bills, expenses, or vendor payments, head to the Expenses area. For sales you sent to customers, open the Invoices or the broader Sales Transactions page. Each of these lists shows the entries related to that part of your books, so choosing the right list makes it easier to find what you need. Next, find the transaction you want to edit. You can scroll through the list, sort by date or amount, or use the search and filters to narrow it down. Looking for a specific vendor, customer, or date range can help you locate the exact entry faster. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right transaction by checking details like the amount, date, or memo. Once you've found it, click View/Edit. You'll usually see this option on the right side of the transaction row or within the Action menu. If you only see a View link, don't worry. That just opens a detail screen where you can still access the editing option. From there, choose Edit from the drop-down. This opens the full edit window. If you're working with different transaction types, like an invoice, an expense, or a sales receipt, the layout might look a little different, but the function is the same. You're updating the record safely and directly. Now, make the necessary changes. Adjust fields like the date, category or account, customer or vendor, line items, quantities, rates, sales tax, payment method, or memo. Be mindful that edits can affect your reports and balances. If your books are closed for a prior period, consider whether you need approval or a new adjustment elsewhere instead. If QuickBooks flags a required field, fill that in before you continue. Aim to keep your notes clear so it's obvious what changed and why. Finally, click Save. You might see options like Save and Close or Save and New. Either one will update the transaction. But Save and Close brings you back to your list. After saving, give the list a quick glance to confirm the update looks right. If something doesn't look correct, you can return and adjust it again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.